So, Mom, after a long journey.
No, it wasn't a long journey. Hannah the booking.
No.
And didn't know that it was a pickup.
I haven't done anything. I never got that email. Anyway, so we were marching around for about 10 hours, actually an hour and a half, I'm not even kidding. But then we've made it. So we got some wine for obvious reasons because, you know, at a time like this, dehydration is not good. But we've made it to our apartment, so let's have a tour. So you come in and you have one mirror here, one mirror here, and a mirror here. Ooh, let's turn my lights on. Got to get into the festive spirit. Yes! And then you come in, it's a bit messy because we need to sort ourselves out, but you come here and you've got a lovely little kitchen. Me too. You are in my way, can you just shuffle for a second? What, how to open a drawer?
Yeah.
So you've got this very, very nice kitchen, and over here, you'll see, it's a bottle rack. Oh hell, there's way more than 15 racks there. And then here, we've got a nice lounge. And then out here, we have a balcony, but I don't know how to open that door, so I'll show you later. And then in there, we have our bedroom, which is dead cute. And then we just have a bathroom in here. Yes, so it's very cute in here. And this is where we're spending Christmas, and I'm so excited. So, yeah. It's gonna be great. Very excited. So Mother, before we do the dinner, let's get some wine. It's priorities. Cheers.
Cheers.
Delicious. So, day 2 of Chamonix. We've just been to Carnival and we just did the most delicious shop ever. But look at where the supermarket is situated. Oh, it's window. Yeah, it's amazing. And we're expecting snow later on, which is very exciting. Have a good old pick there, why don't you pedal? So now we're going back to the apartment and we're gonna eat some of that food. And then I think we should go into Chamonix city centre, do you think? I think so too, but so amazing here. After our little episode last night, we had a glass of rosé and forgot all about it.
Yes, Brenda hasn't forgotten about it because she could her finger open the bottle.
Oh yeah, that's because I can't open bottles, because here they've got blooming things in them. It's like a child-proof thing. What's it called? A cork, yes. I think it's so I can't drink all the wine, which is real inconvenience because I don't know how to open those things, and yeah.
We didn't come this way before,
I feel like we did not come this way before. We went round that way, watch me fall, oh god. Here we